Today is Sunday. I just woke up. It's kind of late. It's almost 9 o'clock. And normally I wake up early even on the weekends. I don't like to sleep in past like 7 or maybe 8 o'clock. But I was so tired. This weekend I've been like on the go. And so my apartment is really messy. Friday after work I came home, took like a 2-hour nap, got ready, went out, didn't get home until like 3. Woke up at like 7 or 8, got ready, left again to go watch the USA versus Netherlands World Cup game. After that, I got home and I was only home again for like an hour or two, had to quickly get ready, and then I went to a wedding, and then I got back last night and just passed out, and so my place is very messy. So yeah, this is gonna be a day in the life vlog. Sunday, get my life together, Sunday reset, clean my apartment edition. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of bed because I have been in bed. I actually woke up at like 8:30, but I've been like posting and editing and looking at things, so I'm gonna get out of bed now and get my life together. So this is what my room looks like. My room actually isn't that messy. It's mostly the rest of my place. The bathroom. That was the dress that I wore to the wedding last night. Yeah, the bathroom is a little bit messy. There's just kind of makeup everywhere. At some point, I do want to go back through and reorganize the bathroom. If you guys don't know, I just moved in here and I do want to go buy like new organizing stuff. But yeah, the bathroom is actually not too bad except the counters. This is the living room. So I took home a couple of flower arrangements. If you guys didn't know, I think at most weddings, once it's over, they throw everything away. And for my cousin's wedding that I went to, they got all real flowers. And so she was like, take whatever you want. And so I got an empty box and filled up as much as I could. And so I took home these arrangements and they're super pretty. I think they will last at least another week, maybe 2 weeks. And then I need to put these in vases. But yeah, I took that home. Over here there's just stuff thrown everywhere. I had to quickly do my toes, and so I did them on the floor, so that is pretty messy. And then I just need to overall just clean everything. I also need to get groceries. Today is usually what I do on Sundays, but yeah, this is what the place is looking like right now. So before I even do anything, I just got the iPhone 14 and I bought a screen protector that came with one of these camera protector things, but it has made my pictures and videos come out so blurry. It doesn't focus as well, and I couldn't get it off last night, so I need to find something to kind of like stick under and get it off. I'm also filming on my phone today for like a vlog day in the life, and so don't buy these things. I know they're supposed to protect your camera, but I think it's fine without them, and it just really ruined a lot of my pictures and videos from last night, so I need to get this thing off.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today's video is about these lens protectors, and trust me, this is the last video I'll be making. And remove it that way. So as you saw, I've just put my floss underneath that lens protector, and I just used some power. This darn thing, and I should say this floss
Okay, so things are a lot neater now. I put one of the arrangements there. I basically just kind of straightened up. I still need to go through and do like a whole entire mop, but I can't function when my place is really messy and unorganized. So everything is at least in the spot that it needs to be in. Still need to do these dishes. I hate doing dishes, so I will get to that later. And then I'm about to start laundry, and so I am going to wash all of my sheets, pillowcases, comforters. I'm also doing towels, clothes. Pretty much I'm just washing everything, but look how nice and neat. Now the closet, this is another story because I just kind of threw some things in there, but I am gonna start doing laundry and putting stuff away. I also need to I also need to clean my bathtub and shower today, clean the toilet, do a full mop, but so far everything is definitely looking a lot better, and I love these flowers. Oh, the only thing, okay, this plant. I have a history of killing plants. This is the longest plant I've ever kept alive. I've had it for a couple of months, but after I moved, 2 of my leaves, the lighting is so bad. 2 of these leaves have started turning like yellowy brown. I don't know what to do, so I'm trying to save this plant. So comment down below. This is a Ficus robusta. It's a rubber plant, and I need to figure out how to keep this plant alive.
Then he can be on his merry way. That would not happen. Jill would be on top of the child masturbating and order his servant to cut a vital vein in the child's neck. It said that the blood squirting out of the chibli do different things. Sometimes he ordered his servants to torture the child with their heads. Corpses. It said that Jill really liked bodies were thrown into a fire.
It is 12 o'clock right now. I took a break from, actually I'm still being productive because I took a break to edit this video. So I just finished editing my iPhone 14 Pro Max unboxing. I'm about to get that uploaded. And then I also made a grocery list in my notes that I need to go get. So after I get this video uploaded, everything good to go, I'm going to head out to the store to pick up some groceries. So side note, but I've been filming so much content on my camera for YouTube, also on my phone for shorts, reels, TikTok, but this camera has been having such a hard time focusing, and I don't know what it is, but I was editing and there's a whole clip that is just out of focus, and it's so frustrating. I've had this camera, how long have I had this camera? I feel like I've had it for 2 or 3 years and I love it, but I don't know if it's the lenses or the camera. I need to reset the settings, but it just has not been focusing like it needs to. So I definitely need to figure that out because it's really frustrating to have to post a video that is out of focus. Like, I expect better from myself. I got really caught up in editing. I've just been creating so much content and it's super exciting. I love posting, I love editing, filming, all of that. But sometimes I just get like really caught up in it. It's 2 o'clock. I still haven't gone to the grocery store. I've been sitting on my phone, my iPad, and my computer for several hours, so I'm gonna just pause and take a break. I got my video uploaded today. I've already uploaded like 2 TikToks, an Instagram reel, stories, so I'm just gonna unplug for a second and go on a walk for a couple of miles because I have not left my apartment today and it's 2 p.m. So let's go. do an errand that took a little bit longer than I thought. I just got home. It's 6 o'clock. Guys, I did not eat lunch. All I ate for breakfast was a yogurt and protein bar. This was at like 9 a.m. It's 6 p.m. So I really just did not feel like going to the grocery store. I didn't get gas. I usually do all of that on Sunday, and I still have to finish laundry. So today was just not as productive as I thought it would be, but I'm literally starving. So I stopped and got Cane's. I'm about to eat now and just do everything tomorrow. So I'll probably wake up before work and go get some groceries and get gas. But yeah, normally Sundays are really loaded with just chores and tasks to do. But like honestly, grocery shopping is my least favorite thing to do, and I feel like when you go in the evenings, the produce is not as good as like right in the morning. So that will get done tomorrow, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I am absolutely starving, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.